everyone, I am Matea, and today I am going to show you 5 easy steps to make a pancake. But first, I am going to show you the ingredients. 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, and 1 large egg. First, in a small bowl, whisk together flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Next, in a medium bowl, whisk together milk, butter, and egg. Then add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix them all together. Then heat a large skillet and moisten with oil. Then scoop batter into the skillet. Then cook until the pancakes have a few bubbles. Then flip them with a spatula. Wait 1 to 2 more minutes and you're done.